So how can you undo the crop of a video on the iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not gonna miss anything important. Anyways, if you just start editing your photos or videos within the Photos app, right, you can go to the edit page, perform the cropping or apply any filters whatsoever, and then you click done. It asks you if you want to save it as the next clip and keep the original intact, or if you want to replace the original. So if you click on save as a new clip, the original remains untouched. Okay, but even if you replace the original, you can still locate it within the Photos app and then go back to the edit mode. And in the top right corner, there is going to be a button, which is a red one, and it's titled Revert. And when you click on the Revert button, it will revert all of the changes which you have performed and made to that video. This includes the cropping and of course changing the aspect ratio, changing the filters, whatever, and it will go back to the original state of the film, of the video which you captured, right, or downloaded, whatever. And that's how you're going to do this. So it's great because the iPhone sort of like remembers the original state even if you perform the changes, and that's how you can undo a crop on a video on the iPhone. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully pull it off and do it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next videos. Of course, only if you subscribe, so do that and I'll see you then.